Welcome everyone. Today we're going to fix or try to fix whatever is wrong with this PC. Each time we go through the installation, it just comes back here, which is not what it's supposed to do. Let me just run through the installation and show you what it does. Now, the hard drive has been replaced already. That's definitely not the problem. What I do think or do suspect the problem might be is the memory or the CPU. I have tried it with on the RAM module, but it still returned the same error. So I'm thinking the CPU might be faulty. We're going to research which motherboard is in this PC and then check out the supported CPU list, and then from there I'll check if I have any spare CPUs we could test with. Okay, so it's doing the installation now. Around about between these two is where it just reverts back to the previous screen. Okay, so we replaced the CPU. So there used to be a E8400 Core 2 Duo CPU. I replaced it with a dual. I first tried a quad core. It didn't want to boot up at all, so it didn't want to show any display. So I tried a dual core CPU, probably a bit slower than the one that used to be in. But we're going to retry the installation for Windows and see whether that was the problem. It should automatically boot into the installation. So previously when it was copying the files, or at the part where it copies the files during the install, it just came back to this screen. So this is the first screen you get when you install Ghost Vector. There's nothing that we have to keep on the hard drive. So I'm just gonna fly through this. Yeah, I always take the default, the first one, so I won't need the Windows Defender. Let's see, hopefully it goes past step where it failed before. My theory was that the memory controller within the CPU that it had was faulty somehow. I didn't see any bent pins when I placed the CPU, but it could just be that the CPU has aged too much. It does seem like we have progress. It's going to restart, so it was the CPU.